In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage your email space by decluttering your Proton Mail in Chrome. Let's dive in and get your inbox organized and running smoothly. First things first, you'll need to open Proton Mail using your Chrome browser. This is pretty straightforward. Simply type mail.proton.me in the address bar and hit enter. Log in with your credentials and you should find yourself at your inbox dashboard. Here, you've got a great view of everything that's currently in your inbox, along with easy navigation to other folders like trash and spam. Now that you're in, let's navigate through your inbox, trash, and spam folders. These are the main areas where emails tend to pile up. Starting in the inbox, take a moment to scroll through your recent emails. Identify any messages that are no longer needed. You'll want to focus especially on those with large attachments, as these can significantly eat up your email storage space. Large attachments are often found in newsletters or promotional emails, so keep an eye on those. Once you've identified the unnecessary emails, go ahead and delete them. You can do this by selecting them and clicking the delete icon, typically represented by a trash can symbol. This will move them to your trash folder, which we'll address in a moment. Next, it's a good idea to check your spam folder. Spam emails often accumulate without you realizing it. Review what's in there, delete everything you don't need, and if you find anything that was incorrectly marked as spam, make sure to move it back to your inbox. Now let's clean up your trash folder. Remember that emails in the trash folder are not yet permanently deleted. To free up space, you'll need to empty the trash. To do this, navigate to the trash folder and look for the empty trash option. Clicking this will permanently remove all the emails in that folder, which gives you more storage room instantly. While we're on the topic of saving space, consider archiving important emails offline. Archiving can significantly help if you're running low on space, but can't afford to lose certain messages. Most email clients and web browsers offer options to download or archive emails for offline access. Once downloaded, these emails can be stored securely on your local device and removed from the Proton Mail servers, freeing up valuable storage space. And there you have it, folks. By following these steps, you'll have a cleaner, more organized Proton Mail account, reducing clutter, and improving efficiency. Keep these tips in mind for regular maintenance, and you'll always have a streamlined email experience. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. In cease!